Exercise 9b, question number 10. By selling an article for rupees 825, so selling price of an article equals to rupee 825. Then amend losses 1 by 3 equal to its selling price. Amend losses an amount equal to 1 by 3 of its selling price. So the loss is 1 by 3 of selling price. So 1 by 3 into selling price is 825. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 2 remaining, 2 will become 22, 3 7 ja 21, 5, 3 5 ja 15. So the required loss is 275. Now it is given that find the cost price of an article. As you know, loss is here and we have to find cost price. So loss equals to what? Loss equals to cost price minus selling price. So your loss is 275 equals to cost price we have to find. So write as it is, cost price minus selling price is given to us 825. Okay, now transpose this 825 to the left hand side. So required cost price equals to 275 plus 825. So rupee 1100 is the required cost price. Now in the second condition, it is given that the profit percent or the loss percent made if the same article is sold for rupee 1265. So for the second case, the same article sold for rupees 1265. So you have to write selling price of an article equals to 1265. Okay, then we have to calculate the profit percent or the loss percent. So just now we have calculated cost price, we got 1100. So cost price equals to 1100. As you can see, SP is greater than CP. SP is greater than CP. So this is the case of profit. Case of profit. Okay. So we have to find profit percent, gain percent. So as you know, profit percent equals to profit upon CP into 100. Now profit that we have to calculate. So profit equals to SP minus CP. So SP is 1265 minus CP is 1100. So from there we are getting profit 165. Okay. Now profit percent we have to find. So profit percent equals to profit upon CP into 100. So profit is 165 divided by CP. CP is 1100 into 100. 0 0 then 0 0. 165 upon 11. So 11 1 ja 11, 5 remaining, 5 will become 55, 11 5 ja 55. So 15% is the required profit. So now in the question number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, these all are same. Okay, so I am solving here question number 11. Find the loss or the gain percent if CP of 10 articles all of the same kind is equal to SP of 8 articles. So according to question, it is given that CP of 10 articles equals to SP of 8 articles. So we can write this as CP into 10 equals to SP into 8. Now transpose this SP to the left hand side. So CP into 10 upon SP equals to 8. Now transpose this 8 to the right hand side. So CP upon SP equals to 8 by 10. So from this condition you can compare that value of CP is 8 and value of SP is 10. That means SP is greater than CP. So this is the case of profit. So profit equals to what? Profit equals to SP minus CP. Clear? So SP is 10, CP is 8. So from there we are getting profit as 2 rupee 2, simply it's given rupee. Now we will find the profit percent. So profit or gain percent equals to profit by CP into 100. Profit is 2 upon CP. CP is 8 into 100. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 10, 2 remaining, 4 5 ja 20. So 25% profit percent equals to 25. So same we have to solve question number 12. Okay. Then question number 13, hint is given to you, you can solve. Question number 14 is also same as question number 13. Then question number 15, again hint is given to you, you can solve, easy question is there. Then question number 16 and 17. 16 the same question explained you above, just like question number 8 and question number 6. Question number 17 I am explaining. In question number 17, an article is bought for rupee 5,700. 1,300 is spent on its repairing, so transportation, etc. Simply cost price is given, but overhead charges are also there. So first we have to write cost price of an article. So cost price of an article is rupees 5,700. Then amount spent on repairs, transportation, etc. is given to you. Okay, so you can write overhead charges. Overhead charges, how much? Rupee 1,300. Now we will find total cost price. Total cost price means what? Including overhead and cost price. So 5,700 plus 1,300. So from there we are getting rupee 7,000. Clear? Then it is given for how much should this article be sold. Be sold means what? Selling price we don't know. In order to gain how much? 20%. So बहुत इजी है, मैंने फॉर्मूला आपको बताया है. ठीक है, फॉर्मूले में क्या है? CP गिवन है, SP निकालना है, गेन दिया हुआ है. So the formula is SP equals to CP into 100 plus profit percent upon 100. So SP equals to CP is rupee 7,000 into 100 plus profit. तो 100 प्लस 20 लिखना है, सिर्फ परसेंट नहीं लिखना, क्योंकि वो ऑलरेडी प्रॉफिट परसेंट पूछ रहा है, अपॉन 100. So 7,000 into 100 plus 20, 120 upon 100. So 0, 0 get cancelled, 0, 0 get cancelled. 7 into 12, 84 followed by 20. So rupee 8,400 is the required selling price. Okay. So exercise 9B is over now. If you are having any doubt, do message.